This is the GTS 3 Pro. Beautiful smartwatch. It's got a 60 hertz refresh rate on the screen. Bluetooth 5.1. There's the speakers for Bluetooth calling, and one of the loudest watches I've ever heard. It really is like a speakerphone coming out of this watch. You've got calls, dial pad, contacts, all related to Bluetooth calling, your step count for the day, a chart, shows you what you're doing, your max, all those things are here. Last night's sleep time, broken into light and deep, and the last several days worth of sleep report that you've got. You immediately go into measuring your heart rate. By the way, it does continuous heart rate monitoring. It'll give you the current value. It's going to show you where you are on an overall chart. There's the complete 24-hour, midnight to midnight, where you are right now and have been all day in your heart rate. Come in here, you pop into blood pressure. It's going to be doing that and give you your systolic, diastolic, and last 7 measurements. Likewise, blood oxygen done the same way using the green diode technology on this one, and it'll give you your last your last 7 readings right there. You can pop into exercise and change amongst several different things, walking, running. There's no GPS on this watch though, but it'll compute all of these things, including, it says, swimming, although I see it's an IP67 watch with speakers, so be careful about swimming with this one. You've got a remote player for music. It'll play out of the watch, of course, whatever you have queued up on your phone. Weather in whatever city you want that you set in the app in Fahrenheit or centigrade. And Siri or Google will be available here, and it'll speak out of the watch. So you can do anything you typically do with your AI voice assistant. You have all of your apps over here. We've looked at most all of those already. You also have a remote shutter that you can take pictures, a breathing exercise, inhale, exhale to calm yourself down. You can do that. Stopwatches, alarms, countdown timers, even this bright flashlight that you could turn on and off anytime you want. And of course, that's available right here as well. It's a really nice, very lightweight, very thin, easy to operate, lots of different watch faces, custom ones too. GTS 3 Pro. Check it out.